I'm going to show you how to access your Soomo course of study. First, you're going to log into your student portal. And if you log into your degree plan and you scroll down to your course titles, all of these are links to the degree plan course of study or the description. I'm going to first click on Introduction to Nursing Clinical Skills, AWA1, which is one of the first things that you'll do in the nursing pre-licensure program. And you can see this is what I call your degree plan course of study. It's got several areas. There's an introduction, it's kind of an overview of the course, things that help you prepare for success. And if you click over here on this left-hand side, you're going to see this course title, Introduction to Nursing Arts and Science Learning Environment. If you click on that, click on this button right here, this link, Learning Environment. Click here, and then this is a link to the Intro Soomo course of study, and I'm going to show you Soomo real quick. Soomo is what we call an interactive course of study. It shows you progress as you move through. It helps you pace your course of study and help you pace through your course, and gives you kind of an overview of what you have accomplished and what you don't. This is the course of study for Intro to Nursing Arts and Science, which you will use for the Introduction to Nursing Arts and Science Clinical Skills, which is also what we call boot camp. You're going to use it for Introduction to Nursing Arts and Science, which is the didactic portion, and you're also going to use it for GZT1, which is Organization, Systems, Safety, and Regulation. Just to give you a brief overview of Soomo, on the right hand side you're going to see some of these have check marks. Those are activities that I have completed. We have Soomo pace throughout the course. Each section or unit has a heading. You can click into here. This gives you an overview of all these subsections. For any given topic you might have several different activities. If you click on any one of these, you're going to go to an activity page. So I would call this as the instructor. If you have a question, I refer to this as, Unit 2.1. This is what we call an activity page. It just kind of has an instruction along with an activity. This one just happens to say, review the corresponding chapters in your clinical nursing skills textbook. To move on to the next activity, I can click this little next button at the bottom. I can also go back and click on the home button. Soomo is actually very user-friendly, very easy to use. You're going to use this a lot. This is kind of where you base all of your work off of. And if you have questions about any particular unit, refer to this unit number when mentioning it to your course mentor, and we can refer back to it for you. And you can see all of these different activity pages. This one happens to be an activity that you'll be completing in the Evolve Learning Resource. It tells you to read Chapter 4, do the learning activities, and do the review questions. Once you do that, it asks you to acknowledge that you've done the corresponding activities. Click on True or False, you hit Save, you move on to the next item. Soomo as a whole is great because, like I said, you can see the course as a whole. As you scroll down, you can see which activities you have checkmarked, which ones you have done, what's coming next. So use this to your benefit. It helps to pace you throughout the course and to give you a good perspective, a good overall picture of where you're at. If you have questions, let your course mentor know. Thanks.